Hi friends, I am Akhil Bandhu Konar, naturalist by profession. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. It was a experience of a morning when me and my two guests were in walking safari, and suddenly I spotted something in orange color within the bushes, and it was trying to hide itself. Then I realized that some eyes is blinking there. Then suddenly I started watch him properly, and then I realized it's a tiger, and I just bent my body to look it properly. Then it started moving. It was very close of us, and we got scared for a time being. My guest also got scared, and then suddenly it started, moving. It started walking towards backside. Then we got our relief, but it was an amazing sighting. It was first this kind of sighting happened from the time I joined in this profession, and hope I will remember this sighting for a long time in my life. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel.